What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeHolderFitness.com.
I'm Carla.
And in this video, we are going to do a quick meal prep hack. I'm going to show you guys how to do a low carb, stir fry, turkey, vegetables, all of that stuff. It's going to be great. All right, let's get into the video. What do we got here? What are we going to be using? What are we going to be using?
The sauce is going to be some soya sauce and then peanut butter. And then you can put whatever veggies you want in it as long as they're low carb. So I got some peppers, broccoli, and some snow peas. Even though you're not too excited about this.
I'm not. It's all good. It's all good.
And then I'm going to fry up some ground turkey, sorry.
Okay, yeah, you heard her speak. Listen, I'm kind of just like a spectator. I'm not gonna lie, but you know it's gonna be a great meal. So stay tuned. All right, so first things first, you want to get your ground turkey fried in a pan. You can use a tablespoon of olive oil or a teaspoon of olive oil and some salt and pepper. Next, you want to cut up all the vegetables, put them in the frying pan. Add a 1/3 cup of water to the vegetables and steam them on medium-high until they are cooked. All right, depending on how much water you might need to drain them, and it also depends on how much water you use. Once the vegetables are added, you can add a 1/3 cup of soya sauce and 1/2 cup of peanut butter to the cooked vegetables and stir it until it thickens. This is really good for keto because you're getting all the good fats from the peanut butter and it adds an amazing creamy flavor to the mix. All right, then add in the ground turkey, stir it all until it's mixed together. All right, stir. You want to stir that in there. All right, now the last thing is you can add like maybe a little bit of quinoa, some low carb rice, low carb pasta, or you could just serve it by itself, which is generally what I would do in most situations. And there you have it, a quick, easy 5-minute recipe for a low carb stir fry. Yeah, look at that. Look at it steaming, bubbling and everything. Woo. All right, so we finally finished, or she finally finished the meal. So it's time to taste test. So we're gonna let y'all know how it is, if it's worth making or not. Let's get into this. Oh my gosh. Yo! Bro, listen, this is freaking amazing. Y'all need to make this.
And you can definitely put it on top of a couple different things too.
Yeah. Like you can get like a low carb rice, a low carb pasta, and like literally sprinkle it on top. Or, sorry, it's so good I gotta talk with my mouth full. Or you don't have to add anything at all. You can just have your meat and vegetables. You know, there's good fats in here because we added like the peanut butter and stuff like that. So yeah, let us know how it is. I know, like it's amazing, right? Yeah.
It's one of my favorites.
Yeah, we're gonna just cut off this video to enjoy the rest of this. But if you like the video, drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness. All right, peace.